Chapter 32, Day 7, 7th floor change. Citizen, how can I help you? That was the question that the golem always asked before they struck. Altucht, I didn't see myself. Most people would have been either replied in Korean or run away. Thus, they were recognized as barbarians. This was a fact that I heard directly from the golem. Hack! No! It was pandemonium as the golem started attacking people. A golem ignored the flame blowing from a staff and crushed the hand that held it. A woman shrieked. A man struck a golem's leg with a hammer, causing the golem to pause for a moment. However, the man's legs were destroyed by another golem. Yuan Jihi order wasn't to kill but to catch them. Indeed, the golem didn't kill anybody. This was possible due to the overwhelming difference in power. Oh my god! Yuan Sunin watched with an expression of incredulity. She gazed at the mess, Yuan Jihi, and then back towards me. Excuse me, Oppa. Yuan Sunin spoke with her eyes. She nodded towards Yuan Jihi. There was slight unease on Yuan Sunin's face. That one, isn't she dangerous? Yuan Jihi was the only one who could control 200 golem. If she wanted to eat us, then Yuan Sunin and I couldn't be able to escape death. Yuan Sunin was worried about it. I just smiled and shook my head. I approached Yuan Xinhui, raised a hand to her shoulder, and instructed her in a soft voice. When it's over, make them clean down in that building. I have a few golem watched over them. Over the last 2 days, my relationship with Yuan Jihi has changed a lot. Was it a little strange to say that there was a relationship? At least her attitude toward me was definitely different. She didn't have the timid attitude anymore. Instead of gazing elsewhere, she now looked into my eyes from time to time. I didn't tell her to do it, but she should occasionally come up with me to report on her learning or ask a question that seemed quite basic. Of course, her intentions were going oblivious. No, he praised me more, recognized me. No one has ever praised Yuan Xinhui despite being the grandfather of a chaebol. She was always treated as rebel. She always received praise from those under her. She wouldn't hear the praise of a person in that position. Parents and grandparents, the prestigious teacher and her cousins all ignored her. She wanted to receive a compliment from them. Until an hour ago, I was her lifeline. Whether it was in reality or in the dungeon, she was always overwhelmed. The act itself was a calculation, but my words of praise were sincere. She wasn't stupid, and she knew it as well. In addition, she knew that I knew it. Yuan Jihi responded to my instructions. Yes, she nodded with a firm expression. In fact, she only spoke a few words because she was busy concentrating on her task. It took less than 10 minutes to subdue the other group. A total of 31 people, including Song Yuanha and Song Yuanmin, were cleaning down in the building. There were originally 36 people, but some died due to unfortunate incidents. I'm sorry, I should have given my order more carefully. Don't blame yourself, this is good enough. I counted the ratio of male and female. Out of 31 people, 9 here were female and there were 22 males. I will eat the men. The females will be handed over to Jihi. I think that men and women will have talent that suit their respective gender well. This was obvious to Yuan Jihi. Yuan Jihi nodded. She didn't know any of the signs of resentment for being unfairly deprived. Rather, she was surprised at the share she was given. I looked towards Yuan Sunin and smiled. What? She asked. Looking at this situation, Yuan Sunin didn't do anything, but in my case, there was a clear justification in eating more of the profit. Still, should there be some distribution to you? If Jihi is willing, then it would be good to divide your share with Sujin. Yuan Jihi nodded a few times before. I finished speaking. Yes, I will. I felt like it was her own decision, rather than her paying attention to my reaction. It wasn't a bad thing. Yang Tsunin approached me and whispered in a puzzled voice, "What is this? Don't you like it? She is giving it freely." No, until 1 hour ago, John Hiji was just excess baggage to Yang Tsunin. That excess baggage suddenly became the core of the 7th floor. Even though the price is important, it is useless in front of everything else. Well, let's split it in two. This experience for persuasion seemed to rise a little bit. I didn't intend to intervene directly, but don't do this, Yoni, please. I looked back to see Yon Sanha on her knees before Yon Jinhee. She was begging with a face full of tears and a runny nose. I'll apologize her. I really didn't know that I was doing. I apologize for the whole thing. That we are still family? Yes. I really don't want it to end there. I don't want it. Oni, please, please. She was an ordinary person, then it could already be too late. I would have yelled bad girl, but Yoon Ji-hee just looked down with a miserable expression. I approached her from behind. She turned from me. That? How? If you want her to leave, then I will allow it, I said, despite it being contrary to my thought. Still, are you sure? Like I said, I didn't entrust the female to Yoon Jin-hee. The method of disposing of them is up to you. Hope flashed through Yoon San-ha's eyes. I continued speaking. But if I had to add my personal opinion, remember the word and action that this person did to John Hee-ji not long ago. Honestly, humans don't change that much. GE mind will simply become easier. That it is, of course, GE autonomy is what matters most. Unfortunately, I can't insert my intention. I want to make a choice that you can accept. John Hee-ji mood changed subtly. I said it. She had autonomy. What choice would she make? There was no way of figuring out what Yoon Ji-hee, who was timid, would choose. Moreover, her complicated relationship with her cousins made it hard to decide if she would kill them or not. It wasn't agitation that filled her eyes now. She made a decision, so it was filled with the intent to act. She desperately made a decision. After coming to a conclusion, there was a slight chill in her eyes as she was uncozy. Uni, do you remember the winter vacation in high school? What did you say to my friend who visited South Korea? I was immature at that time, Uni. You know it, silently. Shut up! Squash! Yoon Ji-hee slapped Sang-ha's cheek. Tears flowed down from John Hee-'s eyes. She could barely speak properly as she let out all the things that had piled up in the meantime. It was just like the bullies commonly seen in drama, or even worse. I wasn't the one who tapped on the shoulder of the agitated Yoon-sin. It was Yoon Soo-jin. Can I help? Yes? I hate that isn't really good. Watch. There was no need for my intervention. So I turned away. I stood in front of one of the golem outside the building. Due to Yoon Ji-hee instructions, they recognized me as a civilized person. I wanted to try an epic experiment. I picked a broken sidewall block and scratched some letter on it. I wasn't sure with speaking or listening, but I was quite used to reading and writing. I wrote the following words column. I can't speak or listen. Would it be possible to talk in writing? I didn't expect it, but the statue responded to the word. That's right. To my surprise, it used a slate as a notepad. The letters were small and lit like a person had written it. The monster during the day, can you handle them? That's right. Why you haven't handled them so far? Because there are no citizens? No, even if it is an act to protect the citizens, we can't move during the day without any instructions. This is because there is room to be exploited as a weapon. The purpose of this question was because I didn't think the right method was to force the power from the golem. If the locust could be eradicated, then the device would be able to receive pure sunlight after the building roof was opened. The locust laid their eggs deep in rocks, so on Saya we receive order to work. From the citizen of this place. That's right. Where did they go? It was a question of pure curiosity. Unlike the other questions, the golem took a very long time to reply. It seemed that to be like the machine was falling through some difficult answers. The moment that the golem was difficult to reply. Opa, I turned my head. John Hiji and Yon Sunmi were covered in blood. We have finished. What? I looked down at Jo Hiji. Was it due to the shock from the murder? She was shaking a little, but I didn't see any pain or guilt on her face. There was only one thing she needed right now. Well done. That was a difficult decision and you handled it very neatly. You have more determination than I took. This Uni, she learned very fast. I wouldn't ask what John He had learned. I told John He about my communication with the golem. I told her to instruct the golem to hunt the locust once it was daytime. It was just a guess, but I felt like there was something more behind the eradication of the locust. I went back into the building in order to finish off my share. Indeed, the violent trail of the two men was still left behind, compared to the other 8 women who died quite painlessly. Yon Sang-ha body, no, I wouldn't say it. I smelled urine for the 21 men still kneeling. Don't worry, I don't have any personal feeling towards you. If you place your head on the floor, I promise that I will try to finish you as painlessly as possible. Come to think of it, my word sounded quite bloody in its own way. However, it was becoming more and more used to killing inside the dungeon. My spirit was focused. The line in the dungeon and in the line in reality. If I kept going on, I had to maintain these lines, or else I would become a monster. Bam, 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 bam! One by one, I killed them with as little pain as possible. I ignored the word that popped up to the point of hurting my eyes as I took 21 lives one by one. It wasn't intended. The last person remaining was Yon Sun-min. I'm sorry. No, strangely, I don't really care. He had a detached expression on his face. He would have seen his sister due to a dreadful manner. Even if this wasn't you, I think that I would eventually meet my end here. The world is wide. A life without greed, that might be okay. As you said it, it might be just right for a person like me. There were tears in his eyes as he spoke. I understood it to a certain extent. We were the same type of people, and there was no guarantee that anything positive could be gained from this. I knew it through experience. No matter how I tried to mentally heal myself, the bitterness echoed deep in my heart. I wondered why I was there, so why I couldn't go up higher. Bam! I finished off Yon Sun-mi. From behind me, I could hear footsteps as Yon Sun-mi and Sun-yu walked. As I turned my head, I could see that the outside was already becoming brighter. I needed to collect the items, money and tickets. I looked at the two men to command them, but wasn't able to say anything. It was because the two females were looking at me with expression of severe shock. I immediately looked behind me, but there was nothing. I could see only the corpses. Why? Burst. From my mouth, blood flooded down like a waterfall. This was my blood. Then I realized something. The blood was even flowing from my eyes and nose. Crunched. Ugh! Opa! It felt like something invisible was holding me as my bones and muscles twitched and twisted. My right arm stretched and bent at an impossible angle. Among my crackling skin there was blood as well as dark black liquid. Sun Yunjin ran over and barely supported my collapsing body. What do I do? Just hold on, Opa, Sun Yunjin's voice and face became blurred. At that moment, the words she has continuously been updating suddenly became clear. Health, 18. Muscle train, 20. Agility, 17. Reflexes, 18. I barely opened my mouth, but my voice didn't come out. My mouth was empty. I realized that because all my teeth were missing as I moved my tongue. Your physical ability have exceeded the limit of modern human beings. Constitution, aptitude, and other variables are being calculated. There is a probability correction due to the function of unit talent atlas. Probability success 42%. What? What had 42% probability of success? I didn't consider myself that lucky. Finally, I read last word that emerged. Physical reconstitution protocol. Metamorphosis begin. What the fuck? Chapter 32 finished. It's stranger and stranger, but I hope it will not be too hard to understand.